Good evening, friends. Welcome back to market analysis. Sorry, this is day time frame chart of Nifty 50, and if you see the market is already in the falling channel since 16th February. So whenever market touches the upper range of the falling channel, it starts falling. This is the first 15,430, and this is 12th March 15,296, and the previous one was 29th April 15,013. And now again 14,974. So day before yesterday it made a evening star. Evening star pattern is a reversal pattern. So yesterday it made a inverted hammer like pattern, and today the confirmation came for sell. So if you see, market started around 14,800. The actual support was around 14,800 yesterday. So market started exactly at the 14,800 range, and due to global cues and local cues, there was continuous sell almost around the whole day. So if you see, the first 15 minutes, Reliance and HDFC Bank was an aggressive sell, and then for some period of time, banks recovered, and in the second half, banks gave a good move, almost 200, 300 points move, and then again around 3 o'clock, market started to fall. So the whole day, the market was holding. I mean, like Nifty was holding 14,700 as support. It broke that around 3 o'clock, but then again it took support around 14,700 region. So today the sellers were writing around 14,800 and 14,750 straddles. So the market shifted their support around 14,700. So the whole day it sustained above 14,700. So if you see, the panic sell has already started. Most of the institutions and big hands are started selling on this. Whenever market starts, I mean, like market starts in selling spree, the first one they will target is around HDFC Bank, HDFC Twins, Reliance, etc. So these are the heavyweights which will directly pull the index. So if you see, market is taking support around 14,700. So tomorrow is a holiday, and Friday we have to wait for the global cues and local cues because it is already so many negative news. So if it opens below this, then the next support will be around 14,500, which may touch around for in a period of week or in 2-3 sessions, or mean the next session Friday or Monday. So coming to Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty also the same. Today it started falling. It recovered a bit in the daytime, but took support around 32,500. I had mentioned this. The last support is 32,500. So the whole day it was taking support around 32,500 and moved till 32,000, close to 32,700. We made a good money on 32,600 CE in a Hero Zero call, close to almost 70 points. There was a separate WhatsApp group. So the overall day was not that bad. I was expecting a range bound expiry today, but due to the global and local news, I mean, like negative news, it was keep falling. So as I mentioned in the last video, please be cautious on the positional longs. Most of them had closed their positional longs. So if you see FII DA data, so FII and DA had both sold around 2,100 crores. So which means both are in selling spree. And FII yesterday, they were in heavy short built up. I mentioned this in the video. The long short ratio is not that good. The short is comparatively much bigger than the longs. So today, in all ways, they had sold in all the index futures, index cash, and index options, cash market, everything they had sold. So it is time to be cautious. So market if starts falling, so it has already touched the upper end. So again, it will start moving around the lower channel. I mean, like a lower end of the falling channel. So how aggressive it's going to fall is based upon the news. If anything new positive news comes, then market may take support around again 14,000. I mean, like 1.0.618, which is the most important number of the Fibonacci. So let's have to wait for that. So now if you see Singapore Nifty is trading around 14,599. So anyway, we have a good, I mean, like a 1 day period of time. We have to wait because sometimes SGS Nifty is full of manipulations. We have to wait. And if you see Dow Jones, it's almost around 400 points down. I mean, like the inflation data has come and that is not that good. So when all negative news flows, it is time to be cautious. But I will come up with a new video, especially on the IT sector and other stocks which we can accumulate during the panic sell. So if you see today, Nifty IT was the deep hit. Most of the stocks are down 50 to minimum 50, 30 to 100 rupees. Nifty Pharma was not that bad today. So PSU banks, if you see PSU banks, it was the only one which is in green. You see most of the FI is pumping. I mean, like FI money is flowing into PSU banks. So that's the fact that all banks are, I mean, like PSU banks are performing well. Mid caps were also performing well. Today NMDC came up with a good result. I think they had bagged an order. So NMDC is in focus. So it started around 200 and went till 212. So sustaining above that. So the next target will be 212. Tata Steel came up with a good results. So most of the JSW Steel came up with a good results. So steel companies are continuously performing well. I will come up with a separate video on that, on accumulating the new stocks. I mean, like in accumulating the falling stocks. You can slowly start accumulating, and let's wait for the reversal. It will be good if you start accumulating now. If you found this video is useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks.